regular to movies, so I'll just make this quick. Thank you to Cupcakes, KB Buddies, and my Banco family for vlog screening possible. Salamat sa lahat ng naglaan ng oras para panoorin yung pelikula namin at sa mga paulit-ulit na nanonood. Maraming salamat po for all the love and support sa Hello Love. And more than anything, syempre gusto namin lumabas kayo sa sinihan, finding your home, your joy, kung ano man yan. At sana marami kayong matutunan sa pelikula na to. Thank you once again and have a great day ahead. Thank you.
Okay, photo kami, pero walang bababa po. Diyan lang kayo. Okay. 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 Pwede dito sa... Yan. So,